right. Not swaying.
What's up, jammers? Welcome back. This week, bumpers, LED lights, and a bunch of mockery. Stay tuned. This bumper we're putting on doesn't need the tow hook, so we actually got to remove it. And then we actually got to notch these bumper brackets so that the cross member that goes underneath can fit. So let's get after it.
You know, in one of our intros, Ryan, you said you were gonna bring death and destruction. I'm pretty sure these are all the tools that you normally bring out when death and destruction come, right?
See? See? How
So
many people?
you said it as a joke, but I knew it was meant to be for real.
How many people take a cut-off wheel to their brand new frame mounts?
Hey, hold on a second. Okay. Are you okay? You
No,
look
I
like-
hit my knee on the corner of this. It knows I'm about to mess its life up, so it's trying to get me back.
It wouldn't be a jammer video unless you got hurt.
Speaking of hurt,
No, I don't even want to talk about that.
I drilled a hole.
No, let's not talk about that. This is so gross. Can you show everybody on the bumper the piece
Yeah.
you're trying to make some space for?
Yeah, so because this is our mounting brackets that'll mount right up to this.
Yeah.
So these pair right to here.
Okay.
But because this bar is welded down here and it goes underneath to our other skid plate, it comes right in contact with the corner of the existing frame rail.
Yep.
Bumper ends right here. It comes, literally this little corner comes into contact with it. So my goal is to just cut up ½ inch and then cut across.
Just create a little relief for that bar to be
Just
able
for
to.
this bar to pass by it.
All right. Interesting turn of events, Ryan.
What's up? Welcome back to Jammer Fabricators.
Yeah, hey, what happened to your American flag glasses you had on last week?
They weren't job specific.
Oh yeah, did your kid want them back?
Yeah, that's basically it.
So what do we got going on here? Looks
So-
like we're gonna do some cutting or something.
Yeah, we're gonna try to cut a little bit of a notch in this bumper to allow us to slide over the existing frame rail so that it gets tighter in, so it fits in snug. So,
Cool.
And we're gonna use this guy, handy dandy plasma cutter. There you go, folks.
Okay, can I just say it?
Yeah,
That was amazing.
pretty awesome, isn't it?
I love that.
Don't remember the first time I ever watched it. I was just like, that is so cool.
It's incredible.
So I'll hit it with
And
the
look at, I mean, but it looks really nice. It doesn't have a lot
slag.
of slag on it. Just a
No.
little bit. That says you're doing it right, bro.
So I'll hit it with the grinder and clean it up a little bit, but let's get the other side done.
Nice. It's always a good sign when they turn on.
All right, Jason, what we got going on?
All right, well, we're trying to find the right position for these little lights.
Yep.
Really cool and awesome. They were like
$40.
$40. That's not bad.
Yeah.
So eventually this is all gonna get Raptor line, right?
Yep.
So we're gonna Raptor line all this painted part here to match the front bumper. We'll have these lights in there, and we're gonna wire them up to the back.
To the reverse lights, yep.
So we'll probably do that later, but we're trying to get the layout. So what I'm kind of doing is just, I'm gonna take a line from the top of each one of these little sensors, and then that's basically our center line. And then I'm coming 3 inches off the end, and then I have a little template. So that's the plan.
Let's do it. This is definitely something Ryan should be doing. For accuracy reasons. Wouldn't you agree?
Ryan does death and destruction, and I do this.
Amen. Praise God.
So here's the other thing I did, is I measured between these two holes,
Yeah, I see
and I
that.
marked with a pencil so I have a line knowing where the center of this piece is. So if I come 3 inches off to the end, and then I line my lines up
That's freaking smart, Jason Piffer.
right there, looks pretty close.
I tell you what, there's the reason why you, sir, are called
The what?
the beautificator.
Yeah, thanks.
No, seriously,
So I
that's
think that looks right. So we'll just double check and make sure our measurement's right. It should be
3 inches.
pretty close as what, 1/16 of an inch off, but no one's gonna be able to tell.
Everyone that just saw this video knows that.
Yeah, that's right. That is how, depending on how Ryan cuts this. So then I'm just taking the Sharpie and kind of coming around. That'll give our inside, and then I'm just kind of trying to fill in these holes so we kind of know where to drill our holes. Like that. And then we'll offer a little template.
Voila.
Piece of cake.
Like magic.
Now it's Ryan's turn, the destroyer.
What's the chances I stay in that nice pretty box?
Here's what I'm imagining, that plasma cutter.
Hey,
Because
listen.
that thing cuts so fast.
Listen, I just want to let you know that there's one thing I excelled in at school, and that was coloring outside of the lines.
Oh, great. That gives me lots of confidence, Ryan.
Yes.
That looks pretty incredible, Ryan.
Pretty stoked with it.
Right?
Yeah.
That looks awesome.
Oh, sorry.
Hey!
What's up, jammers? Well, we accomplished a lot this week. We got the front bumper on. We got the LED light bar hooked up.
It looks awesome. And it works with the little
Factory
pull,
fog light.
Factory fog light. That's what I meant to say.
Yep.
Thank you for bailing me out on
What
that.
can I say?
Like,
What else did we do?
We did lights on the rear bumper
We did.
also,
Yeah.
and they look incredible.
How amazing was it when your first time seeing that Plazzy cutter cut through that?
Hey, tell us in the comments below. Have you guys ever seen that before? That was like my first time, like up close and personal, and I've never used one before, so that was the first time I've ever done that. We'd love to hear in the comments what you guys thought when
That's
you saw it.
pretty cool.
It was fast, right?
Yeah, made short.
That
work
would have
of it.
taken hours, but use like a cutting wheel and have to grind it all down and the whole bit, right?
I don't have any interest in doing that.
Maybe not hours. It would have taken way more time.
Way more.
But it was beautiful. I'm so
Blew
glad
through
we
it.
have that.
It's a great tool that we got, so pretty awesome. Love using it.
Anyway, but we would love for you guys to watch some more videos. Up here in the top is our playlist for this truck, and we're on video number 10.
Yes.
So treat us like Netflix and just watch them all.
Binge watch that jank.
And on the bottom, we have our most recent upload, which is last week's video. Check it out. We would love that.
And we'll see you next time. Jammer Nation!